Hi, today we are going to talk about how to connect to the air gap server with an optical connection. We all know about this connection. We saw it many times on YouTube. You can use it in areas where there is interference with your RF signal and you want your connection to be immune from any noise. So you will use optical connection here. And this is a TX-RX serial connection with video interface. And this line, which is the optical cable, can be multiple kilometers long. The disadvantage of this device is that you only limit it to an analog video because you have here V in and V out, and you are limited also to a TX-RX serial communication with a baud rate of 115 kilobits per second. Can we use this with DroneEngage? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. And in this configuration, we will use DroneEngage on ground. And I will make a video about this configuration later. But the most suitable device that I found with DroneEngage is this device. Here you can connect using a network connection, a wired network. On the other side, you get optical. This device that I have is only 3 kilometers, although it is written 20 kilometers, but there are versions with longer distance. So it is available. The benefit of using this device, the advantage of using this device with DroneEngage is that you are connecting as if you were connected via Wi-Fi or GSM. You can stream multiple digital video and you can stream data from multiple modules. It's not a telemetry that is connected to an Arduino flight controller and that's it. It's a computer remotely connected to your ground station with full options, and it's still very secure. So today we will demonstrate how to connect and create this type of connection. So we have an air gap server and it's just connected via a cable to the switch, and this is my computer here, and this is the drone boundary where you have a camera and the Raspberry Pi unit, and it's of course connected to an Arduino board, and this is the device should be on board, one of them only. The other one is on ground, and between them there is a famous optical cable that we see in the videos. Okay, let's go and see how we can implement this on DroneEngage. This is the actual connection. This is the air gap server Raspberry Pi board. It's just a simple Raspberry Pi 4 board running air gap server, and this is only a fan to keep it cool. And this is the Raspberry Pi that should be on the drone. It has its camera here, and it is connected to this device. And then it is connected to the other side to this device, and this cable goes to the Wi-Fi switch, and this also air gap server is connected via this cable to the Wi-Fi switch. So there is no internet here, only this connection, and my PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi switch. Here we will open the air gap server SSH EI at airgap.local Raspberry. ifconfig. The only connection is the wired connection. Here it is IP, and I disabled the Wi-Fi. Here we will access the DroneEngage unit. This is a URL DroneEngage.local EI Raspberry. Okay. Here we need to set up the account of DroneEngage. You need to access the air gap server. We go to DroneEngage account. I will enter my account. I will update it. And here I should enter airgap.local and update it. Now let's check here. All these are backups. This is the latest one. Username, password, and here it is, the air gap. Okay, now let's run the simulator. Let's access the air gap server, air gap local. Here we have drone A and drone B. And it's completely local. As you can see here, I also disabled the Wi-Fi connection. This is the connection of the optical. This is the optical connection. There is no other connection here. So you can control your drone, you can control your submarine, your boat without any interference at all, and you can have a long range. Now let's try it with video to make sure that we can receive video. Okay, so I will restart here. DroneEngage. Sudo systemctl start DroneEngage.com, and I will restart sudo systemctl start GA camera raspberry. Here it is, Drone Cairo, and let's wait for camera. Drone Cairo doesn't have a board now because there is no physical board connected. This is the simulators, but there is no physical board. Okay, here it is, the camera, and this is completely local. Here it is, my hand. Okay, bye. So this is completely local. As we can see, the speed is okay and everything's working fine. So at the end, we have a connection that is completely closed. This is how air gap server philosophy works. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you.